Hey folks! Welcome back to our new video, where we simplify your Elementor workflow. Let me ask you one thing, do you spend too much time adjusting designs, looking for the right settings, or repeating the same tasks in Elementor? Well, you're not alone. Many designers struggle with this, but don't worry. Today, we've got some awesome tips and tricks to speed up your Elementor design process, so let's get started. Before we start, make sure to have the Elementor plugin installed and activated in your setup. Let's start with using pre-built Elementor templates. Elementor offers many ready-to-use templates for pages and blocks, so you don't need to design everything from scratch. When you open any page, you'll see options to add a container or a template. Click on Add Template, and you'll find many templates for pages. If you don't want a full-page template, you can choose a template for a specific block instead. Pick a template that works for your site, add it, and customize it by changing the layout and content or adding more to fit your style. Now, let's say you've designed a layout, and you want to reuse it on other pages of your website, so you can use the Save as Template feature in Elementor. To start, click on the small upper arrow icon next to the Publish button. Then, select Save Template and give it a name. Once you've saved a template, you can use it anywhere on your website. To add the template to a new page, create a new page and click the Add Template option. Then, go to the My Templates section, where you'll see your saved templates. Click Insert, and the template will be added to your new page. It saves you time and effort, as you don't have to design the same layout again from scratch. Alright, so now you know how to reuse saved templates on the same website. But what if you want to use the same template on another website without recreating it from scratch? No worries! Elementor has a handy feature for importing and exporting templates. First, go to Elementor Templates in your dashboard. Find the template you want to export, and click Export Template option. This will save the template file to your device. Now, to use it on a different website, simply go to the new site, click the Import Templates option, upload the file you just saved, and you're all set. This is a huge time saver when working across multiple sites or projects. Next, to improve your Elementor design flow, try using the Elementor Addon Elements plugin. It's an add-on for Elementor that gives you access to over 40+ widgets. These widgets help you save time and create stunning layouts for your site. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description below. Give it a try, and watch your design process get even smoother. Next, we'll talk about the Navigator in Elementor. Imagine your page is long and has many widgets, scrolling up and down can be confusing. But with the Navigator in Elementor, you can see all your widgets in a single list and jump straight to any part with a click. You can also rename containers and widgets to make things even easier. Just double-click on a name and type in a new one. This will help keep your design process smooth and organized. Now that we know how to move faster with the Navigator, let's discuss how global widgets can make your work more efficient. Suppose you've created a call to action layout, and you want to display the same layout on multiple pages. So, instead of recreating it each time, you can save it as a global widget. To do this, right-click on any widget, select Save as Global, give it a name, and save it. Once you save the widget as global, it will appear in the Global section of Elementor. Now, we'll add a new container and insert this global widget into it. To edit the style, click on the widget and choose Edit Global Widget instead of unlinking it. For example, if you change the text color and background color in the widget and update it, the new style will apply to both the widget in the container and the global widget wherever it's used. But if you unlink the widget, the style change will only apply to the widget you're editing, not to the other one. Let's talk about the Elementor Finder, a super helpful way to quickly find anything within the editor without scrolling through multiple menus. For example, you're looking for the user settings in WordPress. So, to use it, press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. Type what you're looking for, like users, and it'll show you the settings. Just click, and you're right there. The next tip is to define your global color for consistency. To speed up your design process and maintain consistency, set up a global color at the start. To do this, go to Site Settings and then select Global Colors. Here, you can set your primary and secondary colors and add custom colors for heading text, button background, and more. Choose a few colors that match your brand, and you won't have to enter color codes every time you add an element. Suppose you're working on a layout, and you need to copy, paste, or duplicate layouts quickly. Instead of navigating through menus, you can use simple keyboard shortcuts to get the job done in seconds. For example, you can use Command plus C to copy an element, Command plus V to paste it, Command plus D to duplicate the layout, Command plus P to switch from editor mode to preview mode, Command plus Shift plus M to switch between mobile, tablet, and desktop views, Command plus Shift plus H to open the history, Command plus I to open the Navigator, and so on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. You can find the article and necessary links in the description below.